The amount of money that I have spent in August, September, I'm going into hiatus. There's no way. Good morning. It is a new week, and this week we are starting back work. I know a lot of educators would probably be like, girl, you're crazy. Anyway, I'm up. I did my hair, just letting it air dry, but I wanted to come on real quick because the rest of the day I'm going food shopping. I'm getting back on my routine, which means meal prepping. I downloaded literally a new, let me turn this fan off. I downloaded a new planner, so I already wrote down like what I need grocery wise, what I need for the week to cook. And I bought, too bad I don't have my lunch bag, I left it in the car. I bought a new lunch bag for work from Marshall's. It's the cutest thing, but I wanted to show you because I went back to school shopping at the Jersey Gardens again. They got my money again. The amount of money that I have spent in August, September, I'm going into hiatus. There's no way. There's just absolutely no way. So I have a goddaughter and I bought her the cutest Uggs. Like, how adorable are these? And she only wears pink. It's the cutest thing. And then I bought myself a pair of Ugg platforms because they were on sale 50% off. So they came out to about, I think, $70. How stinking cute and gray. Cute. Yes, I'm gonna be wearing them to work. And they also have a Birkenstock outlet. These I paid full price for only because I have never seen this color, and I wanted to try them on and see how they looked. And I got the fuzzy in green because actually I wear a lot of green, but I ended up buying these pants from the Gap. And then I also got this bag from Kate Spade. It's giving Coach Brooklyn bag, but cheaper. But the color is so freaking cute. It's like this yellow mustardy. It's looking more yellow on here, but like a yellow mustardy. So I got that. What else did I get? So I needed to like, these are not them. I needed to like spice up my wardrobe a little bit for work because I just wear black, but I bought these cheetah print pants from the Gap. I have to get them hemmed though. And these allegedly, like, everybody's buying them because you can't, like, not that I can't find them, but I couldn't find them on my size for a while. They're like this floral pink, and I got like a matching green sweater to go with it. Oh, can't wait, can't wait. But yeah, that's everything. I'll show you my lunchbox later because it is the cutest thing. I find like sometimes when I take shakes in the morning, they don't fit in my bag, and this one was cute because it goes over your shoulder and it fits a lot. But yeah, so I'm gonna go food shopping, cook, iron, and get ready for the week, and then we will vlog our week back to school. Like that doesn't mean that I cook dinner because now I'm tired. So yeah, we're about to go get sushi because I haven't had that in so long. I have a solo date. It is 7:05 and parking already is a freaking problem. I'm about to try and fit in this little spot. Yeah, I'm gonna fit here. Cause this guy over here, oh my god, I can't stand him. He literally just loves to take, you know what? Hold on. Don't underestimate me with a backup camera. So, yeah. Well, I'm here. Good morning. I don't even think I said good morning. Sorry. But yeah, we're here. I'm not as excited as I thought I'd be. All right. Well, let me go in, settle in, and I'm gonna check in with y'all during probably like lunch and stuff like that. Because I want to see who's coming in with a bad attitude. You already know. So I remember I came into school one day, first day, like a day like today. Someone was like, because I don't know how many days of school we have, like 100 and something. Somebody's like, oh, we have 100 and something days left. Like, we just got back. Some people are just miserable. Anywho, I'll update you to see who's talking and what the tea is. Nothing but meetings. So for lunch, I made shrimp, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potato. Oh, and I didn't show y'all yesterday my lunch bag. I got this at Marshall's. And I liked it because it has straps. I could put like a water bottle on the side, and then on top of that, it came with these 2 containers that I put my fruit in, and then these other 2 containers, all for like $16. So it was a really good buy, and because all the other ones that I had, they're just not big enough because I literally bring everything. So my old coworker left, so she was like, take my chair. Chair. But yeah, literally I'm about to scarf down my lunch because then we have another meeting. It's just been nothing but meetings today. Oh, I don't even have a fork. All right, yeah, I just came in to check in, but yeah, let me show you guys my office real quick. So here is like bean bags, books, more chairs, and then I have all my storage. I have my own room and a big one at that. All right, I'm gonna eat and then I'll see you when the day's over. Good morning vlog. Let me shut my thing down. Just wanted to show you my outfit because it is the first day of school. How cute. Okay, let's go. Friday, and it is the end of the week. We made it. This vlog is probably going to be choppy only because like I want to vlog and then I forget that I have to vlog because the days have been so crazy. I'm the 6th grade counselor, so yesterday I was kind of out a little earlier than usual to greet the kids, make sure they know where they're going. And then obviously trying to make my schedule. Typically I let the speech do their schedule first since they have way more kids. And then I kind of work around theirs. Like I'll do like a mock schedule and then if it fits, it's good. But today I'm just going to work on my PBIS schedule because I do that as well. If you don't know, that's positive behavior intervention strategies. We give out tickets in my school for positive behavior. And I am in charge of that. So I need to meet with like the team that's been provided for me. And today, one of my goals is that I need to stay organized. I always start off organized. Like I try and make my little folders for each group or for each kid. This year I really want to stay consistent and I want to make sure I have like really good worksheets for them and like everything is planned, you know. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try and get organized, meet with my students to do like, you know, first contact with them. But yeah, I gotta stop saying I am going to try and vlog at lunch. We'll see if I make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but yesterday it was just kind of reading IEPs and making sure that I'm aware what I need to do in my role for each student, and I'll probably do the same. It's just paperwork catch up and to try and get organized. But yeah, all in all, it's been a quick week, I will say. Like the days have not dragged, thankfully. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna try and get that done. See you later. So it's a long time later, but we are going out. This is the outfit, and if you've seen me before, don't worry, whatever. We're going out to Williamsburg for a little din and to celebrate the first week of school. Hear me, last week of school, that's crazy. Today wasn't bad. A little extra stuff here and there, but nothing crazy. Okay, let's go.
Ain't got no time, getting to the money, I done lost my mind. Dripping like water off the rip. Brand new chips with the dip, new wrists with the whip.
Hello vlog, it is Saturday, which means it is nail day. I am so tired. Last night we went out for dinner. I didn't get home till like 12:30. That's an adjustment for me. I'm not that girl anymore. Or maybe I will be, I don't know yet. I don't know what's in store. But anyway, let's get these nails done. And then we'll probably go out again. Aren't these so cute? You can't really see them. They're like a French. I am in, oh my god, I messed it up. How did I do that? Oh no. Oh no, I messed them all up. No, they're just sticky. Anyway, we're about to go eat Mexican food. We go to this place called Tocolo in Garden City. So good. And then I'm probably gonna stop at Trader Joe's. But it was pouring earlier. But yeah. Alright. We're going to eat. Today's gonna be the last day of this weekly vlog. overall it was a good week. I'm back into my routine, back into my groove. I've actually stuck to things, so I'm super happy about that. This month, so I also got rid of Instagram, like my personal Instagram, for the month of September. I did it back in June. I was going through some stuff and it was a good cleanse, so I'm gonna do it again. And what I decided was that I was going to be more proactive with my goals and just planning, like meal planning for the week and sticking to it so that I can not have options. So I downloaded PlanWiz on the App Store, and it has really good like templates. So I'll show you. They even have like teacher planners, student planner, fitness planners, meal planners. So this is the one that I liked because it worked for me. It's like so good. Oh, you can't even see it, but yeah, a little bit. So it has like daily and it shows you for the week of it. So you can choose the week. And I'm going food shopping today. I did Trader Joe's yesterday, but I still need to get like certain things, so I'm gonna go do that. I already ironed for the week. I'm about to go to church. Actually, what time is it? I'll go to church, do that, and then meal prep for the week. Meal prepping is literally the same. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I eat eggs for breakfast, turkey bacon. Tuesday, Thursday, I do oatmeal with fruit, and then Saturday, Sunday, it just depends on like what I'm in the mood for. And then lunch is typically, I've been trying to like stay away from a salad, like just a salad, but it's my backup, which is fine. But I usually like to like prep veggies and a protein, so I'm gonna go get that, figure out some dinner options. But yeah, so I'm gonna plan and go to church. Happy Sunday.